So guys, let's do it again. Yes. Go to go here. You go in here, guys. I will show you this costs money because they don't need a key system. This is lit. This free, but need a key system. And I don't know about it. You click learn. You need download free. Don't pick this. Pick only the Android. Then download. I already downloaded, so I will download it again. You go to details. And when it's done, make sure you delete the real Roblox. Then you install this one. And if it say to have permission, go to settings and put permission in. Then you are done. That's all. And please up.